Hello all. So today we got one query that some people feel uncomfortable while running playwright test. So generally what we do, like we have just installed this playwright framework or inside our VS Code, and we have this default directory available that is inside the test directory, and our current focus is on example.aspect.js file. So if we do npx playwright test, so this command will generally focus to example.aspect.js file, but because that is the by default directly we have chosen, this is under the test directly. If we hit enter, it will run the test cases from the aspect.js file. We have currently two test cases available here. So you can see running two test cases using one worker. And currently it is in not in headed mode. So you are not able to see the browser launch activity. Okay. But now this is the traditional way everyone used to do like that. But today we will do some configuration changes, and after the configuration changes, we have to write some minimal command to run our test cases. And that is generally we are following mostly in every like TypeScript or JS framework. So what we will do, we'll go inside package.json. Inside package.json at line number 6, we have this scripts available. We'll go inside that, hit enter, we'll type test here, and then we'll go outside colon, and then it's like key value pair. Okay, so key what we are doing test, and in value what we are doing, we are passing play, write, and test. So this is like the similar way what we have used last time. We have done npx playwright test. Instead of npx, we are using playwright test here. Now we'll go back to terminal. Here what we will do, we'll type npm. Why npm? Because whatever the changes you will do in package.json and you want to reflect your changes, every time you have to use npm. So that's why npm, and now just use this key. What key you have provided? Test, right? So test. This will run our test cases. See, running two test cases using one worker. So currently it is running in headless mode. So you will not able to see. We'll do one changes here. Headed. Okay. So sorry, headed. And now we'll go back to terminal. We'll do npm test again. So this time it will run our test cases in a headed mode. You will able to see this is the browser launch activity happen, and we have two test cases to two times browser launch, because in each and every test cases we have go to activity available. Okay. So this is the basic changes generally we have to do, and how this will helps in other way. Like you need to go to playwright config file. If you comment this directory, right, you don't want to point out directory, which directory you want to run. So you can directly run your test cases through package.json also. What you need to do, just copy the file name. You have copied the file name, go to package.json. Just before the here, you add the file name. Okay, and this is the file name, no need to include the folder name. Okay, and just go to your terminal and do npm test. So again this will run in a similar manner. What we have done, we have excluded the dependency by default. Like every time if somebody wants to run different test cases, they have to add their js file aspects.js file name, and they will able to run. So this is like why I have like pointed out these things, because if you are coming from different background, like you have used Angular testing or other testing, there also you used to do this npm test and ng test, like that feature. So this is like one of the shortcuts you can say, and this is not very tough or difficult to or use difficult, so that people will be easily used to write this npm test and they will follow the same throughout their learning activity. Yeah, thanks all. Thanks for watching.